As you'll be aware, late last night, because of worsening conditions, Met Éireann extended a red weather alert to cover the whole of the country. In light of this, schools and colleges across the country will stay closed today and tomorrow. The risk to life and limb presented by severe weather conditions should not be underestimated by anyone. We are facing severe blizzard-like conditions which will spread across the country from 4 p.m. today. Winds of up to 100 kilometres an hour will persist with heavy snow and could result in zero visibility and whiteout conditions. Snow will gather in deep drifts, and it's not safe to be outside in such conditions. No one should be on the roads, and we're asking everyone to be home and safe by 4 o'clock today and to remain indoors until the severe weather has passed tomorrow. I'll repeat, nobody should be on the roads after 4 p.m. today, and everyone should be in home or indoors by 4 p.m. Public transport is severely curtailed today. Dublin Bus, Bus Éireann and Local Link are not operating. Irish rail services are being closed down for the entire network between 12 noon and 2 p.m. today. The Dart is closed on the south side of Dublin City due to coastal flooding, and Lewis will close between 12 noon and 2 p.m. as well. All emergency services are on high alert for conditions, and I want to thank everyone in the ambulance and fire services, local government, civil defence, Coast Guard, Garda Síochána and the Defence Forces for all they're doing to keep our citizens safe. And I'd also like to say thanks to our healthcare staff who are providing essential care to patients in hospitals and in communities across the country. Ireland has a great community spirit. It's part of what defines us as a people. And today I want to ask everyone, if it's safe to do so, to please check on your neighbours, particularly the old, the sick, the vulnerable and those living alone. Whether it's a knock on the door or a phone call, just make one of those today. We're also making every effort to ensure that rough sleepers have shelter and accommodation. We have enough emergency beds, heat and food for everyone who needs it. And I also want to acknowledge the voluntary services, home helps and carers who are working today to care for vulnerable people in communities all over Ireland. I also want to recognise the media for their help in keeping the country informed of how to stay safe. Looking ahead, the next 24 hours are going to present a big challenge for us. The NECG will be monitoring the situation constantly to ensure that all national efforts are coordinated, and will keep people updated on the events. To make sure you have the latest updates, you can monitor Met Éireann or also check gov.ie. Gov.ie is the government's website, which is a link to all public information. But most importantly, stay safe. And I'll hand you over to Sean Hogan for further information.